What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best Pit Boss pellet smoker in 2022. There's a lot of choice for Pit Boss pellet smoker. Grilling is an essential part of every season. Everyone loves smoky flavored, tender meat cooked on a pellet smoker on weekends. When it comes to flawless grilling and smoking, no one can deny the significance of Pit Boss machines. Choosing the best Pit Boss pellet smoker, however, will require careful consideration of several factors. Pit Boss stands out from the rest of its competitors. Everything from top-notch construction, to dependable operational efficiency, and versatility of options to reliable performance, defines the company's smoker grills. You have plenty of options to consider as the company offers a wide range of devices to meet the varying needs of customers. Large-sized pellet smokers are suitable for parties and bigger gatherings. On the other hand, you have multiple compact options to consider if you have a small family of up to 5 to 6 members. TopHomeGuide.com. Search Top Home Guide before choose your product. Now let's get started. Number 1. Pit Boss Barbecue Pellet Grill. The first one on our list is the top-notch device from Pit Boss that is second to none regarding performance and operational efficiency. The dimensions of the smoker are 47.91 by 25.28 by 50.24 inches. It enjoys an extensive temperature range of 180 to 500 degrees, that is sufficient for a variety of cooking choices. The cooking area of the smoker is what makes this machine stand out from the rest. It features a cooking space of 820 square inches, allowing users to prepare multiple dishes at a given time. Additionally, the overall weight of the grill smoker is less than 150 pounds, allowing for more convenience and comfort for the user given the cooking area. Direct flame searing. There are many smokers on the market that allow users to go for open flame searing. But many among them fail to impress when it comes to delivering a crusty texture. The absence of controlled heat adjustment on those devices results in such inefficiency. However, that is not the case with this champ from Pit Boss. It allows you to maintain crusty texture, without diminishing the taste and caramel flavor that people want from open flame searing. 820 square inches cooking space. One of the most admirable aspects of this pellet smoker from Pit Boss is its generous cooking space. If you are looking for a Pit Boss pellet smoker that offers plenty of space to cater to the needs of the entire party at a weekend, this can be your choice. The most important thing in this regard is its reduced weight. Without putting in too much weight, Pit Boss has finally designed a machine that satisfies consumers' needs in every possible way. Specification and features. Brand: Pit Boss. Model name: PB820FB. Power source: wood pellet. Outer material: alloy steel. Item weight: 141.1 pounds. Item dimensions: LXWXH, 24 by 49 by 50 inches. Inner material: stainless steel. Fuel type: wood. Reasons to buy: perfect for direct flame searing. Generous cooking space of 820 square inches. Quicker heat buildup. Dependable temperature range, between 180 and 500 degrees. P settings for a smoky taste. Enhanced temperature control. Reasons to avoid: expensive. Number 2. Pit Boss Pellet Grill 700 square inches. Pit Boss 700FB is a lightweight smoker grill that provides a total cooking surface of 700 square inches and weighs less than 120 pounds. The dimension of FB 700 is 24.8 by 22.05 by 43.11 square inches. Additionally, porcelain iron grids on the grill enhance the durability and functional dependency of the machine. The open flame grates on the smoker make it one of the appropriate devices for searing. Everything from auger motors to firebox igniters remains super functional throughout the life of the grill. Moreover, you would love the appropriate sized body of the grill that enhances its functionality. Dependable size. This smoker grill has dimensions of 24.8 by 22.05 by 43.11 inches, which make it large enough to handle a diversity of tasks. Its large body enables you to cook a hefty brisket, a couple of ribs racks, hamburgers, turkey, chicken steak, and many other things in a single go. Having a massive capacity does not mean you will need a lot of space to handle this machine. However, based on the dimensions, it does not require much space in the backyard. All in all, 700 FB from Pit Boss is enough for handling more than 80 to 90 guests at a party. No frequent shuffling. You can trust the automatic heat management system of the grill when it comes to hassle-free cooking. The problem with many gas grills is that they require users to continuously shuffle items during cooking. This is nothing less than a mess for users who are not interested in babysitting smokers for hours. However, that is not the case with this FB700 grill from Pit Boss. Regardless of the size of briskets or chests, you will notice uniformity in the tenderness and taste of the meat. Specification and features. Brand, Pit Boss. Model name, 700 FB. Power source, corded electric. Outer material, steel. Item weight, 118 pounds. Item dimensions LXWXH, 24.8 by 22.05 by 43.11 inches. Inner material, stainless steel. Fuel type, wood, natural gas. Reasons to buy. Adjustable size. Easy to put together. Easy to follow instructions. Uniformity of taste and flavor. Porcelain iron grids for enhanced sturdiness. Hassle-free experience. Reasons to avoid. Absence of a PID controller. Number 3. Kamado Barbecue Ceramic Grill. Kamado from Pit Boss is famous for its exterior ceramic body that defines the operational efficiency and top-notch functionality of the grill. It is one of the best charcoal grill smokers on the market. You will notice a cast iron tamper on this grill that helps the device in the efficient management of the set temperature. The presence of high-end bamboo shelves on the sides enhances the convenience for users in many ways. The cooking grates on the device are dual tier that allow users to get the most out of this charcoal grill smoker. Additionally, you will admire the overall design that facilitates easy storage of the device. Ceramic exterior. Kamado features a ceramic body that helps users enjoy enhanced efficiency and dependable functionality. Having a quality construction allows this device to sustain extended use over the years without any flaws. In addition, you will love the cooking grates that are dual tier, allowing users to get the most out of this grill cooker. Temperature control. Unlike many of its counterparts, Kamado features an excellent top tamper that manages the airflow effectively. As a result, the temperature control of the grill can be similar to that of other pellet grills. However, you cannot fully rely on the tamper for the entire temperature management. You should also take into account the other factors that help maintain the heat within a grill cooker. Specification and features. Brand, Pit Boss. Material, ceramic. Color, black. Item dimensions LXWXH, 45.9 by 29.1 by 52 inches. Item weight, 178.57 pounds. Reasons to buy. Easy to use. Multifunctional cooker. Works for baking and smoking, too. Excellent temperature control. Enhanced functionality due to ceramic coating. Perfect for ribs and burgers. Reasons to avoid. Lower vents need to be redesigned for the flawless operation of the device. Number 4. Pit Boss Classic 700 square inches. The Classic Pit Boss makes the perfect choice for people who are looking for a top-notch grill smoker for searing. It offers all the features of a convenient smoker at an affordable price tag. One thing that sets it apart from the rest is that it gets to its set temperature quickly and offers precise temperature control without any complexities involved. Perfect for searing. Not every smoker on the market offers a dependable set of features for perfect searing. However, you can trust this grill if you want a perfect pellet smoker for searing. Everything from its dependable temperature range to high-end construction enhances its capacity for searing and smoking. The grill features a relentless cooking design that facilitates users in many ways. Fast heat buildup. Pit Boss's classic grill utilizes an excellent combination of powder coating steel and porcelain grids to facilitate quicker heat buildup. A reliable heat building mechanism helps users complete their cooking adventures reliably within a set time. It is also helpful in preserving other resources such as wood and charcoal. Moreover, this smoker will impress you with its easy-to-use temperature control mechanism. Specification and features. Brand: Pit Boss. Power source: wood. Color: black and brown. Outer material: steel. Item dimensions: LXWXH, 40.75 by 25.59 by 43.9 inches. Inner material: stainless steel. Fuel type: wood, natural gas. Reasons to buy: perfect for professionals. Reliable powder coating. Highly suitable for searing. Precise temperature management. Ideal for smoky ribs. Reasons to avoid: it is difficult for users to clean and maintain the grill for newbies. Number 5. Pit Boss Grills Single Burner. The last one on the list is extremely famous for its eye-catching design. It makes a great option for people who wish to own a unique-looking Pit Boss pellet smoker. The gray smoker is extremely lightweight, weighing only 20 pounds. It also features a dome thermometer that helps you maintain the precise temperature of your grill. Value for money. This tabletop grill from Pit Boss offers high value for money, the presence of sufficient cooking area, stainless steel construction, dome thermometer, portable design, and U-shaped burners justifies our claim. Additionally, the push-button ignition facilitates quicker startup and speedy temperature management. Stainless steel construction. The presence of stainless steel construction makes this portable grill stand out from the rest, given the price tag. It offers a cooking space of more than 200 square inches, which is sufficient for meeting the needs of the entire family. You can try a couple of burgers, chicken ribs, turkey, and some briskets in a single go. Excellent propane attachment. The problem with many other portable grills is that they require users to carry sufficient loads of fuel every time with them. However, Pit Boss utilizes an excellent propane attachment that helps you get rid of those fuel tanks permanently. In this way, you can store a sufficient amount of fuel in this attachment to get going without any interruptions. Specification and features. Brand: Pit Boss Grills. Material: stainless steel. Color: gray. Item dimensions: LXWXH, 23 by 16.25 by 12.6 inches. Item weight: 20 pounds. Reasons to buy: cooking space of more than 205 square inches. Stainless steel body. Dome thermometer included. Highly portable. Suitable for a small family. Reasons to avoid: newbies may face some overheating issues due to improper use. You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. See you guys later.